Today we're going to do a pinecone bird feeder craft. You can either use a big pinecone or a small pinecone. And just take it, and we'll have 4 different colors of string, and you can either pick one or pick 3. I have one that I did. I braided it because I couldn't pick a color. So, you take the popsicle stick, and you can use a popsicle stick or a butter knife, whatever will work, and you can use peanut butter. If you have allergies, you can also use wow butter, which is soy, or you can use sunflower butter. There's probably other options too, but those are the 2 main ones that we know would work. As long as it's good for the birds, or, well, be good for the birds. So then, just stick the peanut butter through. We used about 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, so it all depends on what size of pinecone you're using. Okay, so now we're done with the peanut butter, and 2 tablespoons is perfect for this size. But be wary, you will get your hands messy, so do not worry if they get super messy. And you want to watch out for spikes, because the bigger pine cones are very pokey. The small ones don't have any spikes, but that's just warning. Next, you'll want to have your birdseed ready, and there's about a cup in here, because there's extra for another pine cone. Usually, anyway. And then you'll roll it around in the birdseed so that a bunch of birdseed will stick to the pinecone. And that's also a bit of a messy process, but that is okay, because that's what makes the craft fun, I think. Okay, now it is done, yay! Now you'll want to find a good tree to hang it on, and you can just tie the string on a knot on the tree. I feel you shouldn't do a knot before you put on a tree. So, bye and enjoy your craft!